Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Brothers and sisters in Islam, Umar radiallahu anhu was asked a question. He was asked, عن قوم يشتهون الذنوب ولا يعملون بها. He was asked, what is the state of people who passionately desire to commit sins and haram deeds, but they actually don't end up doing them? So these are people that passionately desire to commit sins, whether it's sins related to the eye, or sins related to the ear, or sins related to the tongue and the filthy haram words that a person speaks, or even sins related to the hand and the feet and where they walk. Whatever the sin is, about people that desire these sins, but they don't end up doing it. What is their state and what is their position with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Umar radiallahu anhu in response quoted a part of an ayah in Surah Al-Hujurat. He said, أولئك الذين امتحن الله قلوبهم للتقوى. Allahu Akbar. He said such people are people who Allah Azza wa Jal has examined and tested their heart for taqwa. Allah Azza wa Jal is examining you at this time, testing you to see is there actual taqwa and fear of Allah in your heart or not. Are you going to prefer what Allah Azza wa Jal wants over what you desire? Or are you going to prefer what you desire over what Allah Azza wa Jal wants from you? That's it. That's the whole test. That's the whole bala. امتحن الله قلوبهم للتقوى. So we learn from this that every time you passionately desire to commit a sin, but you keep away from it, you don't do it, that is a moment in how your taqwa increases and your fear of Allah increases and it's revived in the heart. Then Allah Azza wa Jal says, لهم مغفرة. And in addition to this, for such people is a complete forgiveness of their sins. Allah Azza wa Jal purifies the heart and the soul every time you approach to commit a sin, but you back off and you suppress your nafs and you say that Allah Azza wa Jal is testing me. I don't want to fail in this test. For you is a complete forgiveness of sins. You purify your nafs. You become cleaner in your mind and in your heart and your spirit and in your faith and your relationship with Allah Azza wa Jal. And in addition to this, Allah Azza wa Jal says, لَهُمْ مَغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ عَظِيمٌ. And for such people is a huge reward. And whenever the huge reward is mentioned in the Quran, it is the paradise. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to purify us and to make us people of the paradise. جزاكم الله خيرا وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.